Hello everyone, welcome to MES e-learning channel. Today we are going to learn few things about GST, goods and service tax. Why there was a need of GST, why there was a need of one nation, one tax. So basically intent behind any law will tell you why you are actually learning that particular law. We'll explain you with the help of small example. Before GST, there were different laws for collection of indirect taxes. I am taking example of two laws, excise duty and service tax, because excise duty is leviable on manufacturing and service tax was leviable on the services provided. So, I am going to start a new business, and in that new business I need some material. So when I will buy that particular material, I will be charged with excise duty from my supplier. For example, I am purchasing material of 100, then he will charge excise duty on me of 10. So 110, this is excise duty I have paid. Then I will buy some services. So, whenever I will buy some services to start my business, I will be having services of 200 and my service provider will charge me service tax. So, I will pay some service tax. Now, let's assume that I am also going to provide some service. So, these two things will be inward for me. And now my output or outward will be service. So now I will provide some service. Let's see 500. Then I will charge some service tax. So add service tax that I am going to collect from my customer. So let's see 50, 550. Now this 50 rupees that I have collected from my customer, I am not owner of this 50 rupees. I have to pay this 50 rupees to government. But before paying this 50 rupees to government, I have a setoff available with me of this 20 rupees. So from 50, I will deduct 20 and I will pay only 30 rupees to government from my own pocket. So I have paid 30, I have paid 10. So in all, 40 rupees I have paid to government. 10 rupees for excise duty and 30 rupees for the service tax. Now this entire thing, if we replace with GST, then let's see what happens. I am paying excise duty. I was paying excise duty earlier, but after GST, there will not be excise duty, but there will be GST. So I am paying GST 10. While acquiring some service, I will not pay service tax, but I will pay GST. While collecting tax, while providing service, whatever tax I will collect is also GST. So this 50 rupees that I have collected, I have to pay it to government. So while paying this 50, earlier I can get the setoff of only 20. This 10 was wastage for me. So now I can take the setoff of this 10 also. So instead of 20, I will take setoff of 30. 30 means 20 plus 10. So this 30 setoff is available for me. Now instead of 30, I have to pay only 20 rupees from my pocket. Earlier, I have paid 40 from my pocket, 30 plus 10. Now, as this setoff is available, I have to pay only 20 rupees from my own pocket. So, moral of the story, due to different tax regimes, setoff of excise duty paid was not available while paying service tax. But as now there is a uniform tax structure, whatever you are paying is also GST and whatever you are collecting is also GST. So set off for manufacturer to service provider to manufacturer is available completely. So there was a need of one nation, one tax, and it is there and it is helpful for all the manufacturers, service provider and everyone. Thank you guys.